All right, welcome back. We're going to look at seventh chords for the first time this semester. Before we do that, let's review the triads we talked about in our last session. The four types of triads. The first being the major. If we're in the key of C, we can build a major triad on the 1, the 3, and the 5. The first note in the scale, the third note in the scale, the fifth note in the scale. From 1 to 3 is a major third. From 3 to 5 is a minor third. Major triad. Minor triad is next. If you build a minor triad on the same root as a major triad, the only difference is the third is moved down a half step. If you start with a major triad, if you lower the third by a half step, you get a minor triad. That interval structure is minor third on the bottom, major third on the top. Then comes the diminished triad. If you were to build the diminished triad on the same root as a major triad, in this case C, you would lower the third and the fifth, which would give you a minor third on bottom, another minor third on top. It also gives you a diminished fifth, or a tritone, from the 1 to the 5, which creates a lot of tension. This chord needs to resolve. It needs to move somewhere. You very seldom hear a diminished chord just be played and then stay there for a long time. Fourth kind of triad is the augmented triad. Here's a major. If I build an augmented triad on the same root, then I will get this. So you raise the 5, take a major triad, raise the 5, and you get an augmented triad. It also has tension. There's an augmented fifth along with the third in the middle. That creates tension. That wants to go somewhere, as in 1 major, 1 augmented, 4, and so on. So there's the 4 major, or the 4 triad types: major, minor, diminished, and augmented.